Good day, learners. Welcome to our day one lesson. Have you ever bought candy, toys, or snacks from a store? Yes, we use money to buy the things we need and want. But did you know that coins have different sizes, colors, and values? Some are small but important, and some are big and worth more. Today, we will learn to recognize the 1 peso, 5 peso, 10 peso, and 20 peso coins. We will also practice counting them so we know how much money we have. What coin is this? This is a 1 peso coin. Silver, small. Feature our national hero, Dr. Jose P. Rizal. What coin is this? We have two 5 peso coins. One is a silver, bigger than 1 peso. Feature national hero Andres Bonifacio. And a gold 5 peso coin. Feature national hero Emilio Aguinaldo. What coin is this? We also have two different 10 peso coins. The first one is the silver and gold, feature national hero Andres Bonifacio and Apolinario Mabini. And the other is silver, feature national hero Apolinario Mabini. What coin is this? This is a 20 peso coin. Silver and copper, feature Manuel L. Cazon. The siblings, Ian and Anna, are excited for Christmas. They decide to open their piggy banks to count the amount of money they saved from their school allowance. They plan to use this money to buy presents for themselves. Ian carefully arranged his coins by value before counting. Anna, on the other hand, simply took out all her coins and started counting them randomly. What holiday are Ian and Anna excited about? What do Ian and Anna plan to do with the money they saved? What different coins do you see in their savings? How much money did each sibling save in their piggy banks? This is Ian's saved money. Ian saved money 4 pieces of 20 pesos that is equivalent to 80 pesos. 3 pieces of 10 peso coin that is equivalent to 30 pesos. Also, 4 pieces of 5 peso coin that is equivalent to 20 pesos. And 5 pieces of 1 peso coin that is equivalent for 5 pesos. 80 plus 30 plus 20 plus 5. How much is Ian's money? 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. 8 plus 3 plus 2 is equals to 13. Ian's total money is 135 pesos. This is Anna's saved money. Anna saved 520 coins that is equivalent to 100 pesos. She also saved 4 pieces of 10 peso coins that is equivalent for 40 pesos. She also have 5 pieces of 5 peso coin that is equivalent to 25 pesos. And 4 pieces of 1 peso coin that is equivalent to 4 pesos. 100 plus 40 plus 25 plus 4. How much is Anna's money? 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. 0 plus 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. And bring down 1. 169 is Anna's total money. Let's try this. Draw a line to match the coin with the correct value. Let's try this. Look at the coins, count them, and say the total amount. Let's try this. Look at the coins, count them, and write the total amount. Let's try this. Choose the letter of the correct answer. If you have two 20 pesos coins, how much is that? Which coin has the highest value? What is equal to 5 1 peso coins? If Lisa has 3 10 peso coins, how much does she have? If you have 10 20 peso coins, how much is that? Always remember, each coin has a different value and we can use them to buy things we need and want. By adding coins together, we can find out how much money we have. Knowing the value of coins help us count money correctly, save wisely, and spend carefully. Welcome to our day 2 of our lesson. When you go to the store or the market with your parents, you see not only coins but also colorful paper money called bills. Today, we will learn about the bigger bills, 200 pesos, 500 pesos, and 1,000. These bills are important because they help us buy bigger and more expensive things. What bill is this? This is a 20 peso bill. Orange color, picture of Manuel Quezon. Back shows Banawe rice terraces and Palm Civet. What bill is this? 50 pesos bill. Red color, picture of Sergio Osmeña. Back shows the Taal Lake and Taal Volcano in Batangas and the giant trevally fish. 50 pesos polymer banknote. Highlights the endemic Visayan leopard cod, features Vidal's latnatum, a large endemic flower with a red center. found across the country. What bill is this? This is a 100 peso bill. Violet color. Picture of Manuel Rojas. Back shows the Mayon volcano in Albay and the whale shark. 100 polymer banknote. Feature the endemic and endangered Palawan peacock peasant. The banknote also shows the orchid with beautiful orange blooms found in Luzon and Negros. What bill is this? This is a 200 bill. Green color. Picture of the Estado Macapagal. Back shows the Chocolate Hills and Philippine tarsier. What bill is this? This is a 500 bill. Yellow color. Picture of Benigno and Corazon Aquino. Back shows subterranean river in Palawan. 500 pesos polymer banknote features the endemic and endangered Visayan spotted deer. The banknote also shows the orchid with red striped yellow flowers found across Luzon, Mindoro, Panay, Negros, and Leyte. What bill is this? 1,000 peso bill. Blue color, pictures of Jose Abad Santos, Vicente Lim, Josefa Escoda. Back shows to Fatah Harif and South Sea Pearl. 1,000 polymer banknote. Features our national bird, the endemic and critically endangered Philippine eagle. It also showcases the national flower, the sampaguita. Let's try this. Look at the bills, count them, and say the total amount. Let's try this. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Which bill is color orange? How many 20 peso bills make 100 pesos? 200 pesos plus 20 pesos is equals to? Which bill has the biggest value? 500 pesos plus 200 pesos plus 20 equals? Let's try this. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is not. The 20 peso bill is blue in color. The 200 bill is worth more than 10 20 pesos bills. The 500 bill has pictures of Benigno and Corazon Aquino. 20 pesos plus 20 pesos plus 20 pesos is equals to 100 pesos. 1,000 is the highest bill value among the ones we studied. Always remember, we know their colors, the people in them, and their values. Bills with bigger numbers have bigger value. Learning how to count money help us buy, save, and spend wisely. Day 3 of our lesson. Today, we will learn about our centavo coins. Money is very important because we use it every day to buy food, clothes, school supplies, and many more. What is a centavo coin? They are the smallest units of Philippine money. This is 1 cent. This is 5 cents. This is 25 cents. How many 1 cent coin you need to have a 1 peso? You need a 100 pieces of 1 cent to have 1 peso. How many 5 cents coin you need to have a 1 peso? You need a 25 pieces of 5 cent coins to have 1 peso. How many 25 cents coin you need to have 1 peso? You need at least 4 pieces of 25 cents to have 1 peso. Let's try this. Choose the letter of the correct answer. How many 10 cents coins make 1 peso? How many 25-cent coins make 1 peso? If you have two 50 centavos coins, how much money do you have? Which group of coins is equal to 1 peso? If you have 20 coins of 5 cents, what is the total value? Always remember, centavo coins are smaller units of money that we use together with peso bills and coins. We should always remember that 100 centavos is equal to 1 peso. Different centavo coins such as 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, and 25 cents can be combined to make 1 peso or more. Welcome to our day 4. Have you ever gone to the store with both coins and bills in your pocket? Sometimes we pay using only coins, sometimes with bills, and sometimes with both. Today, we will learn how to count and write the value of combined peso and coins and peso bill. This is our peso coins. And this is our peso bills. Let's try this. Look at the bills, count them, and say the total amount. Let's try this. Write the total amount. Let's try this. Choose the correct answer. 100 peso bill plus 5 peso coin is equals to 200 peso bill plus 200 peso bill plus 10 peso coin is equals to 100 peso bill plus 50 peso bill is equals to 200 peso bill plus 500 peso bill is equals to 1,000 peso bill plus 20 peso bill is equals to. Always remember, today we learned that peso coins and peso bills can be combined to make a certain amount. By adding the values of coins and bills together, we can determine how much money we have. This helps us in real life when paying for things, saving money, or budgeting. Always remember, count carefully and write the total with a peso sign. Thank you for watching. Till our next mathematics lesson. Goodbye.